Hello guys, in today's video we will learn about how to create AI agents in n8n. It is our second video of our in-depth series of learning n8n. So without any further ado, let's get started. So first of all, what is definition of AI agents? AI agents are intelligent programs designed to perform complex tasks autonomously. So it is not like only chatting with an LLM. It is giving the tools to it so it can perform task. So let's start building. Enough stopping, let's start building. So first of all, we need a trigger to start a workflow. So we use the click trigger. Whenever I will press this button test workflow, it will run. But currently there is no node accepted. So there is no response. So first we will go to here advanced AI, and here we get option of AI agent. Just click it and here we are. It is taking and it is working from another trigger, that is chat message. We can, because in chat we can give it a prompt or query, but we can remove this and add something in here already by any type of things, or we can add a form. There are a lot of options, but let me go with chat one. So first of all, go to this plus icon, then trigger, chat trigger. That's it, and we will delete it. Now this is our AI agent, but if we run it right now, it will not work, and you can see the warning sign here, because every AI agent need the chat model, need the LLM to run, which can process and answer. So we have to add a chat model. So normally all chat models are paid, but there is one solution to get a free chat model. Either we can use Google Gemini or we can use DeepSeek freely by Grok API. Currently, Grok is giving you free DeepSeek API, so we can use it. I don't know whenever you are mm, seeing this video in future, uh, at that time it do give offer or not, but it is currently that we can join Grok or Google Gemini. I will go with Grok. Now Grok have multiple LLMs, but we will need DeepSeek, so we will add DeepSeek. But still, it will not work if we don't add Grok count. I already made a Grok count. That's why it is working. Otherwise, it will not work. If you have to make a Grok account from scratch, you just have to create new credentials and go to Grok website and then go to this console and then login. and then just go to API keys and create API key. And as you create API key, you just need to add a name. Then you can copy the API key and paste it here. That's it. So we have chosen the model DeepSeek R1. Now we can make our reply. So almost our AI agent is built that can give us a reply. Let's check it. Hi. It is giving the response. It is thinking model R1. Yeah. So it is given us this response. Hello, how can I assist you today? So by this we have made our AI agent, but we can make it more advanced by adding tools, memory. So yeah, this is how you can create a basic AI agent in n8n. As you have seen, it is super simple. And if you want to prompt it, you can prompt it here as system message too. Like I can say, you have to make summaries of any topic of any topic when you you have to make summaries of any topic that has given to you. I added a very low quality prompt, but it will work. So now it's a system message that if uh, any topic is given to it, you have he has to make summaries. So let's try. Let's reset our session in time human evolution. Human evolution. So it generates. So it generated the whole summary on human evolution. Human evolution is the process which human developed the earlier humans and so on. So this is just the beginning. That how can you create AI agents, but still they are just chat models like GPT and other things. But we can go ahead in it. So for getting ahead, please make sure you subscribe this channel. I don't want to make it more long, so I am completing it here. But in next video, we will learn more about AI agents in n8n. So please be stay tuned.